All right, here we are. We're in 8.4. Now, they're saying we've got two files we've got to deal with. The cashier.py file, and we've also got the market model.py file. So they have us by default on cashier. And they say go into cashier and modify the init, or our constructor, and we have to maintain the cashier's number with a number as an instance of init. Well, it's not going to be that big a deal, so we just write our code where they tell us to write our code. So we've got the total customer wait time, and the only other thing we have to have is self.number equals number. That's what they said. Have that object set its value as number. So we've got that, and we also need to have the number come in from once it was instantiated, or whenever we created this object. So we need to give it a number. The rest of the stuff will stay the same. We need this other one, the market model. So here's market model. Which one is it? Oh, it's market model right here. Okay, so this next one over, market model, and oh, hang on, they wanted us to do something else in there on the string method before we get down here. So let's go to the string method of cashier. Down just a little bit. There we go. And total customer wait time. You know what? I'm just going to copy that as a float type. So returns now, I'm not sure what's going on here because of this, the way they've got this written, but it may just work for them. Result equals these strings and self customer served, else if string, got our average wait time, total customer to customer served, result equals let's format in here. We're going to modify this, and I'm going to add some space so we can see. I'm not down at the bottom of everything. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to come in here, come down, I'm going to say else, colon, and I want that have wait time equals 0.0. Now back up. Let's say result equals. And I think I'm just going to get rid of everything they've got there and clean this thing up. So System A, issue. So we're going to say %4 of the day. %8 D %1 3.2F %AD percent, and we're gonna pass to this thing. I need close of the string there, and this is going to be self.number be in the first position, self.customers served is the next one. Have wait time is the next one, and then I want the length self.q. How long is this thing? So close, close, open, open, and look good. So there's the cashier part. So if there's no cashiers, we got the zeros. Give them another one just exactly like theirs. So we checked if there were none. Let's float. Formatted everything on the way out. Let's look at market. And we need to go to the run simulation method. Now, there's our run simulation method. Forward customers generate. New arrival, current time, average time per customer. Bear with me while I'm just going through this code. So if the customer's none, self.cashier.add customer. So if the customer is none, so here's where we're going to change. We're changing here. So we need to randomly send them to some cashier. So if customer's none, I'm going to come down. here I'm going to say random dot choice. I'm going to randomly pick from the cashiers. I'm going to add to that cashier customer now. At this point, I want to go down, and I want to deal with the cashiers themselves. And to deal with the cashiers themselves, let's say for each cashier, cashier in self.cashiers, cashier dot serve customers current time got that. Average time for customers. Good. Okay. Now down in the string method, at the end of the simulation for each, it should be results of each cashier get displayed. And it was before this. Now we want, let's say, cashier, customers, average, left in \n, and that quote plus \n, another new line, dot join. Let's go ahead and map, convert this stuff to a string, self dot cashiers in. Let's put something in here. Processed wait time 9. I think that got us. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. This is something I've got to look over to see what yours look like. But if it works, we're good.